and we're going to get them up to around 20 feet by the time this is all over. With hurricane-force winds over 75 miles an hour, we're probably going to get some pretty serious damage here. I don't know. Let's just take a walk here. Be careful, Ed. Now, this wind is heavy, so let me just see what we can do here. How you doing? Can I talk to you a minute? Let me just get in a better position here. Kind of block you from the wind. What are you doing out, may I ask?
Well, I'm out trying to render my services to anybody who might need them.
You didn't evacuate? How come?
Oh, well, actually, I live in Atlantic Highlands, and I'm just trying to, you know, anybody that can't get out, I will try to help them get out.
How does it look to you so far?
It looks pretty bad, and it looks to get worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, good luck.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You're one of the local firefighters?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's the situation. So we have some people still here, although I understand that there have been evacuations already from Seabright because these people know that they're going to get an awful lot of water probably by the time, if not on this tide. What happens is these easterly winds just simply hold the water in when the tide goes out. This water doesn't leave because the wind just keeps blowing it in from the east. So when we get that big tide tonight around 11:30, you could have some real trouble here. Bill and McGee?
So, Ben, I'm glad you found out that was a local firefighter, because we should stress people should not go out to see if they can help other people, because they'll be stuck in the storm themselves, and they're the ones who are going to need the help. I wonder if we can ask a question to Ben. Are there a lot of other people out there in the area, or is it pretty bare right now?
There are a few other people. There's a few other cars parked along here. This happens, you know, these people are Sikh-type people. They're used to this. They come out and they view this every time I've been down here. I was standing out here the last time, or 2 times ago in December. It's 75-mile-an-hour winds, and there are people walking around behind me, you know, looking out at the shore going, oh, yeah, that's nice. So, I mean, these people are used to this. But we do understand that there have been some significant evacuations. In fact, as I was coming down Ocean Avenue, I saw a lot of the people that I usually see here every time there's a storm. Those houses look dark and empty. So I think a lot of people just decided this time it's not worth it. They're going to leave.
Ben, Bill Boggs here with a question. As our New Jersey correspondent, we're talking about the coastal towns in New Jersey, going all the way down to Cape May. Which are the towns that, when we have these big storms, generally have the most problems?
Well, obviously this one is the location, but there are others. Belmar always has a pretty serious problem every time. If you go a little farther down the coast, of course, you can get into the Toms River area where there's flooding down in there. And let's not forget Atlantic City. You know, back in the December storm, many of the roads, in fact, all of the roads at one time to Atlantic City were closed. So they could get some real serious trouble down there as well. The whole coast of New Jersey appears as though it's going to be hard hit by this, and it's really a shame. When you see here, for example, I don't know, take a look at this water. Now, that water is now, I'd say, well, 20 yards from the edge of this parking lot here. Now, I have been here in the summertime when it's 150 yards out. So the New Jersey coastline has really taken it this winter and has lost an awful lot of sand. And where's this sand going? It's just